Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Threads. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Threads and you will go here to this page. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking, don't forget to support us by liking.